Oh. You go fist it all in.
He's trying to run away.
I know.
Is that good?
Watch this. Watch. What?
He's gonna reach.
Open. Open. Ta-da! Open. Oh. We got a little, oh, that's all your biscuit. We got a little bit of soup. Oh, on Rob. Open. That's very hard. It's very hard. Oh, you got your biscuit in there. That's okay. Okay, now we pour it in the bowl. Here, hold on, let me give you a spoon. Your spoon. Do you know what to do? A Rob spoon. And then we spoon it in. We are cooking. That's right. Spoons go in your mouth. Is there anything good in there? Here. Put some of this in. There. Oh, you're very big.
The hole that was in there.
You don't think he's cold?
I don't think so.
Kason, are you cold? Kason. Kason.
Here it all is.
Look, he's putting it on the spoon.
That was so smart. You know how to do it. You put it on your spoon. Good job. Okay. Good job. You are so smart. More? More? Go.
Yeah, just almost too big of a spoon.
Well, he was actually going to help me with
Serve.
this.
I'm sure he was going to do that.
That's what he wanted to do. It's what he still wants to do. He wants to throw some biscuit into the chicken and rice.
He's just
Suits me, sure.
that whole thing in his mouth. Huh. Look at him.
It's probably a pretty big gulp. Did you swallow too big? Did it blob? So that's what's happening down here between your legs. All this is wadding up. Look. See, it gets too close to you and then you can't see it. Oh, you're just going to put your feet in it now. Oh, pups, doing great. Daisy, here. There we go. Terrible mouth.
Kason, there's nothing on there.
He relaxes that back every now and then.
Who's the beautiful boy? Who's the beautiful boy on the kitchen table? Oh, it's Kason! Oh, hi, Kason! Oh, hi! I love you. I love you. You are so smart. Yes. Here, bend your spoon. Okay, eat. Uh-oh. Good job. That's right. Okay, here it is. Look. Eat. Good job. Oh.
Four and a half inches on the dot.
Whoa. It's a lot of rain. It's gonna rain all week long.
That's right. That's right. Oh, goodness. What is that?
Surprised he didn't grab that
Spoon?
biscuit. What's Nate and Jackson doing? Still playing?
Smart.
You got him? They both in here?
Nate.
What are you doing? Y'all both playing? You playing each other? When do you take your final?
Right now.
Oh, you want them out of here?
Huh?
Y'all want to come downstairs while Shane takes his test?
No, it's cool.
They're not allowed in there? I guess I'm allowed to slide in here right now. Hey, don't lose that pencil, Jackson. Just put it on top of my iPad. Is the cat with you? What are you doing? You just woke up? Where's the cat? Oh, that's wrong.
I thought these were yours.
The blue ones are his.
I heard that you had a big, like a
I mean, he wears the same size
Like
shoes
a-
I do.
webfoot duck type
Look.
foot. What size shoe you wear?
8 in women's. We have the same foot. You could wear them with the things up.
Oh yeah, these fit perfect. And they go better with my ensemble.
On what?
Ensemble.
Kason, what you doing?
Stop cooking!
Appreciate the donation.
Cooking!
Your chin?
I'm cooking!
Yes,
Way bigger?
yes.
But Chandler has the smallest foot of all 3 boys. Look, fine
These
shoes.
are good to like wade out in the
Water.
soap-filled water. They kind of spread out
Boats.
like surf.
What are you doing, Nate? Mom's home.